Do you want to know how to reset your Instagram Explore page? Here's how to do it. So first of all, let me be clear. There isn't a button that you can press that will reset your Explore page. However, there are a few things that you can do to signal Instagram's algorithm to reset your Explore page. First, tap on your profile picture, which is in the bottom right, and go to your profile page. On the top right, tap the hamburger icon. After that, tap on your activities. Find the interactions option, and then tap likes. Now it will show you all the posts that you have double tapped on. Go through them and unlike posts that you genuinely don't like and don't want to see similar posts like that. The second thing you can do is go a little back and tap on recent searches and hit clear all. Once you do that, go to your Explore page and look for posts that you don't like. Once you find one, tap on it, and then tap on the three little dots next to the follow button. Now select Not Interested, and this will tell the Instagram algorithm to not show you pictures related to that photo. Do this a few times. The last thing you can do is go through your Explore page and just like pictures that interest you. This will hopefully reset your Instagram Explore page. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you're new and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching this video. I'm out. Peace!